Hello, Andrew Dillon. I'm going to create a payroll company called Excel Ltd. Andrew Dillon. Select the new company. Now, before I get started and click next, I just want to read this important details. So before you get started, we need to know a little about you, like our name and registered number. If you have a tax credit file, P2C from revenue, click on cancel and in the file menu, select create company from revenue P2C file. Please create next and complete the items shown on the screen now. So none of these are relevant to me, not important, so I'm going to just go ahead and click next and start on my company name and my address. Next, enter my registration number. I am going to select the weekly payroll and I can continue the free trial. Enter a password again. Click OK. The weekly payroll is running and my company CD Andrew Dillon is running, so click OK. You can now enter employees' details by selecting employees in the top menu bar and add and amend employees, or by selecting process icon 1, which is right here. So that's where I always normally start off. And then if you are using a revenue tax credit file for employees' tax credits and cut-off points, you can set up your employees by selecting update from revenue tax credit P2C file in the OS menu, or by selecting process icon number 2, which is this icon over here. So I can click OK. Now I'm going to use my recovery email address. Click OK and then start the then off. Yeah, click OK. Good. The Saurus now started working yet. As I was saying, the first employee is going to be called Joe Thomas. Now I have to do the departments. We'll add an extra department called IT Technician. Details, and I'm going to put this guy into IT. I'm not marketing, but IT Technician. Right, the employee has been updated now to the next employee. This guy is called Danny Emerald. I'm gonna put this guy human resource. Now, fortunately, this employee is going to be in emergency tax, so the cut-off points and weekly tax credit is not going to be edited. Neither is the cut-off USC cut-off points. I can still put in his PRSI class, which is A1. Okay, now to the third employee. This guy's name is Rory Kenny. He is a masterpiece of marketing. Nothing. Okay, I'm going to update this employee now. Employee number 4. This woman is called Sarah Thomas. She is in charge of accounts. I'm going to stop right here and update the next video and finish off Sarah Thomas. So thank you all for watching. Adios.